Fi TV's free video on demand enables you to binge watch previously aired TV shows and movies. For a selection of available TV shows, choose Shows. Then you can filter your search by subscribed networks, parental rating, or genre. Click on any of the available episodes to begin watching. For available on-demand movies, choose Movies. And you can filter your search by the genre or parental rating. To watch on-demand content on the go, log into your Fi TV account on a streaming device. Then choose Shows or Movies, just like you are watching at home. Keep in mind, each device watching Fi TV through your account, whether at home or away from home, is using a stream. We're always here to help. Call 423-648-1372 anytime, day or night.